So I wasn't able to find the block of Velveeta, so I'm just chopping up these slices instead. And we are going to be adding a box of penne to this, which is like my favorite pasta. It's going to cook in this chicken broth. So I'm going to cover all the pasta. Add some heavy whipping cream instead of milk. Don't use the whole thing, just use part of it. Now that we've got all the liquids in there, I've got all this cheese. So I've got, let's see, I've got a Colby Jack and a mozzarella, and we're just gonna dump that in there. We take that mozzarella, a bag of 3 kinds of cheddar cheese, New York, Vermont, and Wisconsin. Now, so we're gonna go ahead and put that right on top. Stir this together. We are going to add some parsley and some black pepper. This is literally all that goes into this mac and cheese. Put this into a 350-degree oven for about 35-40 minutes. Looks so amazing. Look at all the cheese.